If you've forgotten your Hostinger password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Hostinger password step by step in just a few minutes. This is a quick and easy process, and it's especially useful if you can't sign into your hosting account, need to regain access, or simply want to set a stronger password for security. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once the website loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click Login. This will take you to the Hostinger sign-in screen. Now, under the login fields, you should see a link that says Forgot Password. Click that link to begin the password recovery process. On the next screen, Hostinger will ask you to identify your account. Enter the email address that is linked to your Hostinger account. Make sure you type the correct email because this is where the reset instructions will be sent. After entering your email, click Reset Password, or in some cases, you may see a Submit button. Hostinger will then search for your account and send a password reset email to your inbox. The next step is to go to your email account and look for a message from Hostinger. Open the email that says Reset Hostinger Password. Inside that message, you'll find a Reset Password button or link. Click it to open the password reset page. This link is what verifies that you own the email address and allows you to create a new password securely. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can create new login credentials. In the new password field, type in the password you want to use. For best security, choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then re-enter the same password in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typing mistakes. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click Submit or Save Password, depending on what Hostinger shows on your screen. After that, your password will be updated and you should be able to log in to your Hostinger account using your new password right away. If you're still signed in on another device, it's a good idea to update the password there too, so everything stays in sync. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Hostinger password. This is one of the simplest ways to regain access to your account, and it only takes a few minutes when you follow the steps carefully. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.